one of the fastest and one of the unique coin, my brother. SLP is completely on the trending this time in all crypto marketer. Definitely, my friend, all cryptocurrencies will wait, my friends, for a huge jump of SLP. But definitely, my friend, as you can see here, this time the price is very cheap now, and I am 100% sure they will give you one day, my friends, the very good, my friends, target now. So definitely, my friend, in upcoming time, we will, my friend, already predicate this coin, my brother, and definitely we will share, my friend, the target of SLM, my friend, with viewers now, with followers, with holders now. So therefore, my brother, definitely they will answer, my friend, if you ask us, my brothers, to share now. So this time, as you can see, my brother, I will share opinion, I will share, my friend, technical analysis, and also the price prediction, my brother. Let's get start the price prediction, my brother. But kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So, my brother, absolutely all currencies were fails down for a short time, but this time, as you can see, my brother, the SLP in last 1 month also, my friend, 17.69% they will lost now. And absolutely, my friend, after a very long time, my brother, as you can see here, they will fails down. So I hate this, but definitely I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit, and they will again starting moving upward now. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. Alright, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz. Take care.